In our today class, I will share a task with you. You need to perform ANOVA, you need to perform a regression, you need to perform time series analysis. So I am just sharing with you instructions, and when you found any issue, you are allowed to share your screen. Just wait 3 to 5 minutes. I am sharing within group. Please check WhatsApp group. I have shared information in WhatsApp group. Okay. This example data is example questions are related to plant science. You can convert this data into your field of study. So instructions are given here. So please, you need to follow and complete this task. Please all participant confirm. If it's not related to your field of study, please mention here your field of study so that I convert these questions related to your field of study. If okay for you, then type okay and start your work. I will be available during class if you found any type of issue. Okay. Mujib, please give your field of study. Okay, environmental sciences. I am sharing for environmental sciences. Mm. And Mujib, also share your field of study. I have shared related to environmental science. I have shared in both group, uh, Python and ML. Please check. Next participant, agriculture economics. Copy and thanks. No bar. Okay, Majib, I am sharing related to your field of study. Okay, I am also sharing related to zoology. I think zoology and botany related are same, just organisms are different. Okay, if you need specific to zoology, I am also going to share with you. Here is diversity related. And next one is agriculture economics. Please note questions relevant to your field of study. Thanks, for zoology. Okay, I have shared related to zoology also. Okay, any more participant having different field? Majib, all things are given. You just need to define on your side. Please read it carefully. All things are defined. First, you need to generate data set related to this field of study and then performs all analysis given in list. Okay, now I am just waiting for your output or results and going to stop recording. I will be available online. When you face any hurdle, you can discuss with me.